Hello guys! Welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader ha. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan, siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Ako, hindi pa ako open sa personal reading, pero pag nag-open ako, babanggitin ko yun dun sa akin TikTok. So, i-follow nyo na lang din po ako dun. Okay? Unicorn Princess Tarot. Mag-share din ako dun ng mga videos, guys. Meron na ako mga na-share na videos. Okay, medyo iba-iba naman din yung content ko doon. So, feel free to check it out. No? Start na natin. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Let's start. Hey, Virgo. Wow. You do have here Divine Masculine and Triggers. Okay, one more card. You do have your Alien and Settlement. Okay. I feel like for some of you, medyo ang focus mo ngayon is something to do with documents, mga ganyan. Pwedeng, kasi there's this name, car, place. So, pwede may mga nilalakad ka ngayon na something to do with those things, no? Pwede may kinalaman sa documents, or basta mga importanteng files, mga ganyan. And yeah, there's this agreement and compromise. So, yan, pwede may mga kasunduan, something to do with pagpirma ng something. Yan, this is what I can see here. And I can see a lot of black and gray. Yan. Also, at the same time, meron dito tayo ditong alien at the bottom of the deck. So, this is actually gray and black colors. So, napansin ko yon. I don't know if you really do like those colors, or pag umalis ka, lumabas ka, suot-suot mo itong mga gantong kulay ng damit. And you do have here irreconcilable differences, divorce, final. Pero the word that really struck me here is the word final. So, I feel like there's agreement or pag-uusap na which is nakikita natin na final, or actually it's maganda in a way na you don't have to be scared whatever it is, no? Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nagdudulot ito ng pagpapanik, takot sa'yo, dahil actually hindi ka naman ilalagay dyan sa sitwasyon na yan, or hindi mo ito mararamdaman or mararanasan kung hindi mo ito kaya. So, actually, nakikita ko to is something na parang sisiw lang para sa'yo. Sa una lang siya nakakatakot kasi hindi ka pa sanay no? So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng pagkuha ito ng motor, nahulugan, or car, or loan, yan. Something na nakakatakot. Pirmahan kasi, kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko bang i-ano to? Yan, yung mga ganon. Anyway, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, okay lang guys, dahil this is not a personal reading. For some of you, nangyayari na or nangyari na, yung iba paparating pa lang. Papunta ka pa lang doon. Might be you're thinking about this and that. Yun nga. And nakikita natin na yung takot mo doon. Okay? I can also see panaginip na nagbibigay ng sa'yo, message. So, for some of you, may nakikita kong particular dreams na na parang pwedeng may message yun and sign for you. Ayan, yung iba, one of the message na pwedeng gustong sabihin sa'yo is that maaaring may gusto kang puntahan, or may gusto kang gawain or mangyari na hindi yun yung nangyari, medyo lumihis ng direction kasi hindi talaga yun yung mas magandang path para sa'yo. Medyo mahirap yung nilihisan or nabago might be yung path mo, pero I feel like it is for the better. Kasi actually wala naman talagang shortcut sa buhay, no? Kailangan mo talagang dumaan sa hirap. And it is because pag narating mo na yung path, or pag narating mo na yung dulo, yung pinagdaanan mo, 'di ba? Nagturo naman sa'yo ng malaking lesson 'yon. Okay? Kasi walang shortcut sa buhay if you want to be successful, of course, kailangan mong maramdaman yung mga hirap, struggle, and kailangan mong maranasan yung mga bagay na maaaring nararanasan mo na ngayon. Okay? And you would be proud of yourself. I can feel some of you. Remember mo lagi yung dreams mo na kung ano yung naramdaman mo doon. Okay? Maybe some of you nakaramdam ng takot, yung iba brave, or parang feeling mo kayang-kaya mo na, kayang-kaya mo yan. Well, kung naramdaman mo yung feeling na parang kayang-kaya ko to, kung ano man yun, yung dreams mo na yan. And then in reality, in real life, alam mo na yung pinagdadaanan mo, kayang-kaya mo. Okay? I really do love the message, no? Dito pa lang sa simula ng ating reading. So, pagdating sa love, who is this person that you're dealing with? Guys, yung iba magagalit na naman, love reading na naman. Of course, ang atin pong almost daily readings are love reading. Okay? Kung gusto mo ng concentrated sa career, meron akong mga video na ina-upload na ganon, hintayin mo na lang. Nakalagay naman yon Virgo career, ganon. You do have your night life, racing, and meeting. Oh, you're dealing with a playboy or playgirl kind of energy. Ayan. Or you're dealing with a person na may kakonect ding iba, may kakonect pang iba, kasi there's 2 or more people here. You do have your meeting. And etong person na ito is tinatry niyang iwasan ang isa sa inyo. So that could be you na tinatry niyang iwasan because of that other person, or the other person, the other way around. Pwedeng ikaw yung pinapansin niya, then the other person is iniiwasan. Pero yung iba sa inyo, ganon ang situation, no? Na parang iniiwasan ka niya dahil dun sa isa. Okay? We do have here the nightlife. The energy here is that saglit na nawala yung kanyang atensyon sa'yo. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, ikaw ang iniiwasan eh. Okay, take what resonates. Take what resonates. Pero ang nakukuha kong story is that ikaw ang iniiwasan. Ngayon, yung kung kanino man siya nakafocus ngayon, it's like pansamantalang focus. Pansamantalang focus. Okay, especially the nightlife is here. You know, parang kind of like ang energy is that yung emotions is nasa iyo, pero ito yung nasa harapan ko ngayon. Parang naaaliw din naman. And guys, nakakaramdam ako ng energy ng alcohol. So, pwedeng itong taong to na-attract dun sa taong kakonect niya while he or she is, you know, may effect ng alak sa kanya. Okay? And you do have here the trash. So, the energy is kung gaano niya kabilis nakuha yung isa, ganun din kabilis kung paano itapon siya. And this person is hindi siya seryoso doon sa kakonect niya. Madaling itapon, madaling kalimutan ng feelings. Especially yung roller coaster, guys. A roller coaster is here. What is roller coaster? Yung roller coaster is katulad din ng feeling paglasing. And 'di ba, may hilo, nasusuka. Alam mo 'yon? And this is the feeling of your person currently connected with that other person. Na parang madaling kalimutan. Kumbaga pag ako nawala na sa ulit or napunta na sa katinoan, nawala na yung epekto ng alak, limot ko na siya. Ganon kabilis. Okay? Okay? And ano bang emotions mo towards this person? Virgo. Cleansing is here. Wow. I like your energy na parang focusing on yourself, focusing on money, focusing on pagbabago sa more on like may kinalaman sa money. May nakita na naman ako. I don't know kung bago ka ba manood ng aking video or nito lang, maybe 3 to 5 hours ago, bago ka manood ng video na ito is may nanood ka ng like maybe documentaries or may kinalaman sa mga patay-patay na video. Alam mo yun, yung parang documentaries may namatay or may pinatay, ganto ganyan. And this could be a reading. This could be a reading, guys. Kung hindi, okay lang. Kung hindi, okay lang. Or, yeah, maybe something na may kinalaman. Kung hindi man patay-patay, may kinalaman sa binubuli or binubugbog. Yan, medyo, medyo yun yung nakikita ko. And, okay lang kahit hindi ha. Cleansing and hamster wheel is here. So, this is you clearing your space. Ang tinatanong natin, anong emotion mo para sa kanya? Maybe you're trying to wag pansinin tong taong to kasi hindi ka naman niya pinapansin. So, bakit mo siya papansinin, diba? Hindi naman sa you're wasting your time, pero you have wasted your time enough. Diba? Kumbaga, pwedeng na ano ka na rin parang enough is enough. Kasi, nag-aksaya na ako ng panahon sa kanya eh. And, ayoko na munang isipin, alalahanin. That's your energy. And you have a lot of hassle. The way I see this, some of you, may mga work ka rin, may mga career ka, and maybe some of you, hindi lang isa, that you need to focus on, no? Na gusto mo magkaroon ng pagbabago regarding this career, etc., etc. So, bakit kailangan mo pang isipin yung isa? Basic kang tao. Parang ganon. And then, you do have your cleansing, and you are removing this negative person or negative people in your life. Actually, hindi lang sa kanya, kahit sa ibang tao sa buhay mo, you're trying to remove them, you're trying to discard them kasi, you are focusing on your development sa sarili mo. And pag nakita mo na yung isang tao ay hindi mo na kailangan sa buhay mo, it's easy for you na kalimutan, layuan, or alisin sa buhay itong taong ito. Because, lalo na kung hindi naman nila nakikita yung value mo, diba? Hindi naman nila nakikita yung halaga mo, then fine, sige, go. Sooner or later, they would realize kung ano yung halaga mo sa buhay nila. Nako, that's your energy. Hindi ka na nga, hindi ka nag-feeling doon sa part na yon, pero might be kasi alam mo rin naman sa sarili mo kung ano ka talaga sa buhay nila. And hindi lang nila yun napapansin. Hindi lang nila yun nakikita. Okay, I like your energy. I like your energy. Virgo yung dating mo dito. Okay, anyway. Ano yung emotion ng taong ito para sa'yo? Anong emotion ng person na ito para sa'yo? You do have your desire. Done. Okay. That's what I'm telling you guys. Interlude is here. Akala ko may nagtatagong card doon. But anyway. There's this crickets. Okay. This is, guys, yung crickets, this is you. This is you. Ikaw to. There's this silence na action mula sa taong to papunta sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka niya kinakausap, hindi nakikipag-connect, communicate. Whatsoever. Pero hindi mo alam, maaaring hindi mo alam na naghahabol siya. Or nandyan lang siya. Especially with the bounty hunter. Hindi mo alam you're too focused, you are this dog having this stick, na sa'yo ang alas, na sa'yo ang you have everything, you have something na gusto niya, no? I don't know what it is, but some of you, it's a material thing, meron kang something na gusto nitong taong ito, that's why nandito ako, nakantabay ako, okay? And this person is really craving for you. And maaaring hindi mo nararamdaman na siya ay naghahabol, nakamasid, etc. But you do have your desire. So this is lust, sexual chemistry. This person is thinking about you. Ang emotion niya sa'yo, there's a lot of passion. And I feel like itong person na ito is nandun yung pananabik, especially with the interlude. Ayan, excitement. So, there's something in you na this person finds attractive. Parang pag tinignan niya ito sa'yo ay parang nahahatan siya or naho-horny siya, parang ganon. And maybe that's your looks when you look at this person. And I don't know, maybe your pictures something na parang para sa kanya napaka-hot mo naman. Ganyan. And with the done, this person is not showing it. Na parang pinaparamdam niya sa'yo na parang tapos na kayo or wala ka na, wala ka na sa kanya. I see this girl here na parang nakatalikod. It's like, okay, I'm done. Parang ganyan. I'm finished. I'm okay na. And you feel like nag-move on na siya or pumupunta na siya sa sarili niyang direction sa buhay, but that's not the reality here. Hindi mo lang alam kung paano nag-aasam talaga itong taong ito para sa'yo. Anyway, what will happen in the future for you, Virgo? In the near future for you, Virgo. Summarizing Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have your TikTok pop-up is here. Wow. Pop-up and sold. Wow. To tell you what, it has not something to do with tama ba yung English ko sa part na yun? Natatawa ako ha. Sorry, there's Mercury retrograde. Ayan. Ngayon, yung Mercury retrograde is affected talaga ang ating communication. So, may mga times nagfa-fuzzy or parang mapapansin mo, kausap mo yung isang tao tapos parang, ano nga ba yung sasabihin ko? Parang ganun, medyo mawawala ka. Or parang pag nagbasa ka ng something, parang mali yung pagkakabasa mo or ma-misinterpret mo yung sinabi, etc. ng isang tao sa'yo. Whether kausap mo siya ng personalan or through chat, etc. Anyway, I'm just telling you guys. So, never mind. Kasi I know Virgos are perfectionists. So, anyway, punta tayo sa future. Dami ko sinabi, I'm actually a Virgo sun. So, yeah. Check my natal chart mo ha. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Financial support, gossip, love is here. Okay. And you do have your crickets. Clarify ko itong crickets. What's with the crickets? Why is the crickets here? Oh. Okay. Actually, nabasa ko ito as interview. And you do have your insatiable. The way I see this is that this person pwedeng bigla siyang mamaya tayo doon. Okay, focus muna tayo dito sa'yo. Kasi the way I see this, you have unexpected na mga pera na dadating sa'yo. It's like unexpected blessing. Some of you pwedeng, you do have your sold, makabenta ka ng something, sasakyan, bahay, lupa, etc. Some of you, this could be an inheritance. So, may marireceive kang big amount of money. So, some of you could be winning something like maybe a lottery. Napakaganda. Some of you could be a surprise, like surprise of something or someone na pwedeng dadating sa buhay mo and you're not expecting anyone or anywho na dadating sa buhay mo, but definitely this person is pwedeng may moving, I can see a person na dadating and there's this movement or may magmo-move sa buhay mo pagdating nitong taong ito. Not necessarily love. This could be work, something to do with work, employees, etc. So, maaaring may maging papel sila sa buhay mo. And I really do like this. Some of you, this could be friends na parang anong tawag dito? Dadating sa buhay mo para maging may malaking decision ka na gawin because sa pagdating nitong taong to may na-share siya sa'yo, etc. I don't know, there's a lot of movement pagdating nitong taong ito para sa'yo. Not necessarily love. Pero ito, some of you, hindi kita kasi gustong pag-expectin, no? But this person is going to talk to you. Interview is here. This is talk, conversation. Get on the same page. Okay? And but this person pwedeng hindi about emotions kasi especially insatiable is here. Insatiable. So makita mo parang it's a block of ice. Coldness is still there. Pero pwedeng makipag-usap siya sa'yo. Pero hindi niya sabihin kung anong pakay niya. Okay? Some of you pwedeng something to do with talking about vacation or talking about something else. Alam mo yon, malayo sa kung ano yung pakay niya. And this person, yan pwedeng may kinalaman sa child yung iba sa inyo. I can see that maybe magpakita siya ng support sa'yo. Yung iba pwedeng financial. But yung iba support lang na may kinalaman sa child or anyway, any kind of support. Yan, sabi ko nga kasi malayo sa pakay niya. And you do have your crickets. So, this energy right here, especially na ano siya, sinabayan siya or sumunod na card is the pressure cooker. So, I feel like sa tagal na nanahimik itong person na to, marami siya talagang masasabi. Parang ganun. Madami siyang, like it's a conversation na marami siyang sasabihin sa'yo and then, of course, hindi pa rin ito may kinalaman sa emotions niya or whatsoever. No, don't expect. Pero ang conversation is medyo magugulat ka na lang, dati ko pag mag-chat sa akin to or tumawag sa akin to, ito lang sinasabi niya, ba't ngayon parang ang haba? Parang ang dami niya sinasabi. But anyway, this person is showing a lot of love in the near future here. They have your love, adore, admire, enchantment. And maybe there's something sa'yo na makapagpa-trigger sa kanya kung bakit kanya kakausapin. Kaya kumbaga parang, and the way I notice this cards right here, no? Ito ha. Ito yung una ko napansin kanina. Okay. Ano yung mga napansin ko? There's this in which is nagsisimula siya sa I at N. That's in. No? Go in. Papunta or papasok. Like, and then meron din tayo ditong in. So, it's like this person is coming in here, no? In your near future, paparating, papunta itong person na to. And not only that, there's this in ulit na naman dito, which is yan. Tatlong sign na talaga yon na in, papunta or papasok. Diba? Kumbaga sa pintuan, pag pinagbuksan mo na pintuan, come in. Come inside. So, papasok sa buhay mo itong taong ito. And there's this go. Ayun, which is a go signal coming from you and your person na parang magkakaroon ng movement itong connection na ito. No? And, I don't know, I can see a lot of in. Ayun, meron pa dito sa financial supporters in again with the I and N. Okay? And I can see the word over. Ano yung meron sa over? Ano yung matatapos? You do have your happiness, wholeness, overjoyed, smiling. So, ang matatapos dito, come together in grip. Okay, this could be maybe a reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. And kung ano man yung mag-over, maybe has something to do with another relationship, another connection. Kasi sa totoo lang, nire-respeto niya yung person. I feel like yung person mo could be dealing with someone else, pero nire-respeto niya yon. And the way I see this, nire-respeto niya na alam niya na kailangan niya bitawan yung tao. Dahil some of you there's this separation na possible na mangyari sa kanya. I can smell a smoke someone is smoking. This could be a reading. Pwede nagsisigarilyo ka while watching. But anyway, happiness is here. So, of course, pwedeng ang mag-over dito or ang matapos dito is something na um I feel like something na nagpapasaya sa kanya. So lalo na nga kung nagpapasaya itong person sa kanya, pero panandalian lang, or maybe there's a child na involved. So maybe medyo mahirap or masakit kasi things will be over, but you know, anyway. Tinry niyang tiisin, guys, this toxic situation para sa kanya. Tinry niyang pigilan yung, alam mo yun, yung sarili niya na umalis, or ah yung obsession niya sa'yo, and there's obsession here, tinry niyang pigilan yan. But yeah, a lot of pretending or pagiging fake. Pero ang ending noon, siya lang yung nawalan, no, do sa pagpipigil na yon. And because he or she realized that this is unconditional love, this is true love. Ayan. And, oh yeah, this person is really chasing after you. And maybe in the near future, hindi mo mararamdaman pa rin na hinahabol ka niya, pero hahabulin ka niya. Hindi ka niya hahayaan na mawala completely sa kanya. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.